Partial discharge is a warning sign of insulation failure. This can also lead to potentially dangerous conditions for substation staff. Megger's PD Scan is designed to detect partial discharges to identify faulty equipment before it fails. With its 6 independent and unique sensors, this handheld device is the best for helping you find PD faults quickly and easily. Whether you're working in high or medium voltage substations, to help you find PD faults efficiently, it has acoustic, TEV and HFCT sensors. Furthermore, the PD Scan automatically interprets the data, can perform temperature and humidity measurement, has an integrated camera for reference photos, a QR code scanner, and even wireless headphones. There is also an intuitive simulation box available to assist you with training. Survey your substation for partial discharge and avoid faults before they become failures. Megger's PD Scan won't let you down. Megger, helping you to keep the power on.